Hi, I am CA Pritish and today's video is a blend of information and ideas of investment. I feel a deep sense of responsibility as a chartered accountant to enlighten you and educate you on investments, savings and the right investment that you need to make. Because I see many people who earn and save and also invest, the third category of people, but they do not invest right. So it is very important to do the third part right as well, that is investing right. So let me begin this with asking a simple question. How many of you all have started saving? And in case if you are 30 by now, then you should have had at least 2 years of your salary saved and invested somewhere. Somewhere means in equities, because investing early is very important. Let me tell you why investing early is important. So you will get an understanding of how it is done if you are an early investor if you look at this chart. So we have two celebrities here. One is Virat Kohli and the other one is Anushka Sharma, his wife. So both of them start saving same amount, identical amount of 50,000 each. But Virat Kohli starts at an early age of 18 years, whereas Anushka starts at an age of 25 years. Virat stops at the age of 25, whereas Anushka stops at the age of 62 years. Identical amount saved, as I said, 50,000. And total years saved in case of Virat is 8 years, whereas in case of Anushka it is 38 years. How much he has saved? Only 4 lakhs, whereas Anushka 19 lakhs. When Virat is 40 years, he has 55.8 lakhs, whereas when Virat Kohli's wife is 40 years, 27.8 lakhs. When 60 years, 12.8 crores Virat Kohli has, whereas Anushka has only 6.71 crores. And the interest that is compounded is 15% for both of them. So this is a very big difference if you note. So another important aspect of investing early is that you have the risk appetite. You have so many years to get retired, a period of say 30 to 35 years, and this can make a lot of difference, because if anything goes wrong, then you have the ability to digest. You will not panic. Now the next question is where to invest. Our parents have been investing in traditional investment options like fixed deposit, recurring deposit, that is RDs, and all of this. But that doesn't hold good this day because of a very important factor, that is inflation. So FD rates have fallen to around 5 to 6% and the inflation is around 7%. So if the inflation is more than the return that we get, then it is giving negative return. So FD is absolutely not an option at all. And also nobody considers the tax aspect as well. So in case if you fall under the 20% or the 30% bracket, then you will have to always deduct that 5% minus 20% or 10% to give effect to the tax rate, that which not many of us do the calculation. So where do you invest? As youngsters, it is very important that you invest in equities. Investing in equity market is very important. So whatever you do not need for your short-term goals, then set aside for equity market, set aside for investment in equity markets, and you have a long-term horizon and there is no problem at all. And investing in right equities is very important. So if you get 50 rupees, 100 rupees, do not sell it off, because you need to hold it for long term. That is the idea which Warren Buffett suggests. You need to hold at least for a period of 10 years. And in case if a stock is giving a return of 20%, then you have to literally marry that particular company or stock, because you are investing your hard-earned money. So also another area of investment these days is cryptocurrency, because many people say that this is a boom which is not going to stay for long, but I personally believe that it is here to stay. So invest in good cryptocurrencies as well, and you can watch my other videos which I had suggested previous week for long term, and they are giving some good returns. So do watch my videos and subscribe as well, and I'm sure that I'm going to make some very good videos in the coming weeks. And thanks for watching and happy investing.